Discrimination is when someone treats other people differently without justification and does not allow them to enjoy their rights. Discrimination is a problem that is talked about a lot in schools, and it was there that I heard it for the first time. Most of those affected are called small minorities. These minorities are small groups within a society. In some cases, these groups are not small, but they are still rejected. Discrimination focuses on various groups like social discrimination, workplace discrimination, racial discrimination, sexual discrimination, religion discrimination, ideological discrimination. In social discrimination, an example is disabled people who, due to discrimination, cannot get a job, a good education, and a good lifestyle. The workplace discrimination, and by labor discrimination is understood the situation in which a worker is professionality, salary, or morally harmed with respect to his college for reasons. The sexual discrimination, gender identity discrimination can impose sexism and is discrimination against people based on their gender identity or their gender or sex discrimination difference. The racial discrimination, this type of discrimination focuses on mistreatment of people of color, aborigines, or natives. Ideological discrimination, this rejection is caused from misunderstanding towards other people's ideals. Some of the solutions for this problem are more tolerance, laws against discrimination, seminars on discrimination, information and awareness campaigns, important work on the media and administration. In my personal opinion, I believe that discrimination can be from the home of each person, educating our children with the necessary values so that they accept people as they are without hurting them. Thank you.